Looking to buy a new cordless drill? We've rounded up some of the best options for you to consider. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best battery-powered drills, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best battery-powered drills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So, let's go over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the DeWalt 20V Max DCD 777C2. Offering a balance between price and performance, the DeWalt 20V Max DCD 777C2 drill driver delivers enough power for home and use for less than $100. The half-in chuck allows you to use larger bits, and it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. That 2-battery package is a massive time saver because you can charge 1 battery while the other powers the drill. The cordless drill and batteries are covered by a 3-year warranty. Take careful note of the DCD 777C2 model number. Don't confuse it with the DeWalt DCD 771C2, which comes with a brushed motor. Luckily, the DCD 777C2 has brushless printed on the side of the drill. Next on our list is the Metabo HPTDB3DL2. An electric screwdriver combines the convenience of a cordless drill with the minimal weight and ease of use of a screwdriver. The lithium-ion-powered Metabo HPTDB3DL2 weighs less than a pound, but offers amazing versatility. The handle pivots, allowing for straight or pistol grip use. A 21-step clutch lets you find the right amount of torque to set screws without stripping them. We also like its drill setting. You'll need a hex bolt shank drill bit and LED light. Coming in at number 3 is the DeWalt DCD 771C2 drill set. The DeWalt 20V Max cordless drill driver set with 2-speed high-performance motor and batteries offers exceptional quality and performance. Its compact lightweight design fits into tight areas, and the high-performance motor delivers 300 unit watts out of power, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. At number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER BCD 702C1 drill kit. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Max cordless drill kit with battery, charger, and double-sided bit included is a user-friendly tool perfect for home projects. It features an integrated LED light for visibility and a built-in driver bit holder for storage. Key features that stand out: 20V Max lithium-ion battery for excellent power, integrated LED light for illumination, built-in driver bit holder for organization, compact design for easy handling. We recommend it as drill kit. Is an excellent choice for light to medium tasks around the house. It offers solid performance and convenience with its built-in features. Best for homeowners who need a reliable drill for everyday tasks. Last, number 5, Bosch GSR 18 V400B12 drill kit. The Bosch GSR 18 V400B12 18V compact brushless drill driver kit with a 2Ah battery offers efficient power and outstanding runtime. Its compact design makes it easy to control and use in tight spaces. Key features that stand out: professional-grade brushless motor, compact design for easy handling, excellent runtime for extended use, lightweight for comfortable use. Why we recommend it as drill is ideal for anyone who needs a reliable tool with professional-grade performance for various tasks. Best for professionals and serious doers looking for top-tier performance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.